Alt text generation using machine learning transforms how we make images accessible and understandable to everyone. By training algorithms on vast collections of images and their descriptions, machines learn to identify objects, scenes, and contexts. This enables automated creation of meaningful alt text that aids visually impaired users and improves search engine indexing. The process involves models analyzing visual features and generating concise, accurate descriptions, bridging the gap between visual content and textual understanding. As technology advances, alt text generation becomes more precise and efficient, promoting inclusivity and enhancing digital experiences. Explore further to see how machine learning shapes accessibility in innovative ways.